So today is Thursday morning. We are currently at the hotel and I just got ready. We are going to go view new homes that we really want to look at, that we're really excited, fingers crossed, that we get the home that we want, that everything goes smoothly. I'm gonna go to our first appointment to see actual new build houses. Like, these are brand new houses that no one has ever lived in before. We even have options of building our own. We've only seen the houses online this whole time, so super exciting. I guess I will start vlogging when we get there, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, we have arrived at the office. This one is the Columbia model. It's an office. Very pretty. It smells really good in here actually. So this is actually their office, but this is a model home. So I'm just gonna give you guys a nice little tour.
Upstairs, downstairs.
Open that. Let's see what this is. This goes downstairs. What are you thinking? The island, it is beautiful. I'm thinking this is not, it's small, but it's not too bad of a space for us.
Bigger space than we have.
Like I said, our stuff will fit here. I love all the windows. We need massive amounts of curtains. I love that pendant lighting. She said we had a pull-out trash can. There it is. Obviously, we would have to buy our own trash cans.
That's awesome. Smart dishwasher too.
And then it has the little electricity sockets. There was one home that had cabinets on this side. I love the pendant lighting. Let me see something. So that's the pendant lighting. So you could use that just for the night. Let me turn everything on.
So did you guys come the country route?
Yeah,
We did. So there's two ways of getting it. There's a bunch of ways of getting here.
Well, the other day we came
Yeah.
in this way, then we came in this way.
Okay, yeah, there's definitely, so like within 10 minutes you can get to Walmart,
Yeah.
Jersey Mike's and the urgent
Yeah.
care and everything.
Okay.
To get to like your bigger box stores like Target, Home Depot and all that, that's in Martinsburg.
All right, this is the mudroom. This is where, oh, this is a bathroom. All the way back here, tucked away. It's small, but it's enough for potty. These are double doors, which is like a pantry. How nice. That's a lot of, good amount of storage. Sorry, I didn't show you that.
Coat
then-
closet.
Coat closet, utility closet.
This will be from the garage.
I guess this would be a door right here for the garage, but since this is their model home,
Yes, my card's in there with my email and my phone number. If there's any questions, just let me know.
Yeah.
I'll still send you
I'm gonna go
videos for you.
upstairs. And there's a window here. Alright, we are at the top of the stairs. And we're gonna go this way. So to the left, we have a bathroom. This is the bathroom. And then we have a bedroom.
It looks good. It looks really good. There's a closet right out here.
So this is a linen closet for like towels and bed sheets. That's right outside this bedroom, which is pretty nice. Love it. Look what Allison found. It is gorgeous in here. Sorry, I just went up those stairs, so I am out of breath. How do you like this room?
Oh, wait, what's
Isn't
this
it
feel?
pretty? I love it. That's the same pink that she has on her walls at home. Isn't it pretty?
Oh,
It's so pretty in here. I love it. Let me see the closet. Yeah, it's a nice little standard closet. Look at this furniture. Allison, we need to go shopping for your stuff just like this, huh? This can be a pretty pink room. I love it. I love those balances.
Hello.
How are you?
The owner's suite, like they call it. This is a nice space. This is the walk-in closet, which is beautiful. And then the bathroom,
Can we see the closet?
the shower, the private toilet, and hey, the double sink. This nice space here for plants and hamper. It's pretty, very pretty. So this is the master suite. This is a queen? Yeah, this is a queen. This ain't a king.
This is the king, baby.
I don't.
This is the king.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And stuff. So we were like, okay.
Have you driven past this?
Look at this.
No, we checked out Martinsburg, you know, because we kind of read a lot of negative things about it.
Yeah.
So we know that I'm like, this place is crazy. I mean,
Come on. All right. Come on, let's go downstairs. Allison, let's go. All right, we're gonna go back downstairs.
Closet area next to the kitchen is gonna be in your house, right?
I'm not sure. Let's go downstairs and find out all the information.
okay.
Careful that she doesn't fall down the stairs, please.
No!
The kitchen. sliding door for the back. And then this little area, which is cute. And then the front door. It's pretty much like the neighborhood. It's a lot of houses and they're still building. These are the porch. That's the back porch that I really wanted. But they cost $20,000, guys. $18,000 to be exact. And it's not that big, but it is covered by the sun.